Today we're going to be talking about the way that I organized my studio and what my goals are for this YouTube channel in 2018.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
What's going on, you guys? Back here today for another video. You guys may have seen a little bit in my last video that my desk was moved up against a different wall with the window back there, but a couple of things have changed and I really wanted to make my studio space more effective. So today we're going to be talking about the way that I organized my studio and what my goals are for this YouTube channel in 2018. So first changes are I moved the TV, it used to be on this wall behind me, over to this wall over here, and that was just to kind of open up the space because then I could put the couch, which was running at an angle right across the center of the room pretty much, all the way flat up against this wall, and then have this space open. So having this space open allows me to do more with camera work, and especially because I do a lot of filming stuff revolving my computer, being able to use my desk and the space around my desk more effectively for filming, especially when I have to put the tripod in. So moving the computer over here, the reason why I decided to move it is when I did the iMac Pro desk setup, I used a table that I have in that corner over there, and I took my speakers and my audio interface and my speaker stands off my desk, so I undid all my cable management and took all that stuff and moved it over there to be used in that setup video. And then I was like, you know what? If I'm gonna move my setup around, now's the time. I already have half of it undone. I might as well just do it. So I did. That being said, this has allowed me, like I said, a lot more space. So my last video, I moved that table over there, which was the desk from the iMac Pro setup video, right here, and was able to use that desk for unboxing the same way I would normally, but I didn't have to be crammed between my couch and the closet, which is right behind the camera. So this just really opens up this space a whole lot and gives me some more freedom. So we're going to talk a little bit about the products that I have, where, and what they're doing. So obviously, I wanted to start with my desk, and because that's the reason why this channel even started. When I built my Ryzen computer last year, I was like, man, this is a great gaming computer, but it can do video editing too, so I decided to give it a shot. And so when I realized that I liked video editing, I decided to upgrade again. So now I have the Threadripper 16-core 1950X. It's got 32 threads. I have 64 gigs of DDR4 RGB RAM from Corsair in there, running at 3200 megahertz. I have two 1080 Ti's. Everything's water-cooled with mainly EK components. I have an XSPC radiator, but other than that, it's great. My monitors are two 34-inch ultra-wide monitors from LG. They're the 3440 by 1440 resolution. They're curved. I believe they're the 34 UC89s, but I can't quite remember off the top of my head. I've had them for a while. And also on my desk, I have my Corsair Strafe RGB keyboard with MX Silent switches in there, and my Razer Naga 2014 mouse atop an Aki extended mouse pad. By the way, all of this stuff I'm going to try to link in the video description, so if you see any of this stuff that you like, go down there and check it out. So moving along on this side of the desk, I have my printer and this cool little Edison bulb that I picked up on Amazon, and I got that cage for the bulb at IKEA. These two stand-up lamps, I have one at the entry of my office, are also from IKEA. Inside those three, and I have one small lamp that used to be on my desk when it was over on this wall, are Philips Hue bulbs. They're the color bulbs, so I can say, I accidentally pocket dialed you in the middle of a video.
Oh, okay. Well, you're like in the middle of it?
Yeah, I'm just in the middle of filming. I'm gonna put this in as, talk to you later. Bye. So I completely forgot where I was, but so yeah, inside those three lamps that I talked about and the one lamp that used to be on my desk when it was over here are the Philips Hue bulbs. They're the color changing bulbs. So if I want to, I can just say, set my office lights to blue. and then all 4 of the lights will turn blue. So it's pretty cool little system. But so now that the lights are back to white, I basically, you know, really enjoy what I can do here and the versatility that I now have. So that desk that I use for the iMac Pro, I can actually bring over here as well. And I used it for work today from home. I had to work on a Sunday, but I was able to, you know, put a plan out of a store that I was working on a floor plan for and review it. So after we get past the desk and then the lights, obviously over here I have my 60-inch Vizio TV. It's only 1080p, it's a smart TV. I got it a couple years ago when I bought my house, and I moved it up here later on. And it's sitting over this little 8 cube shelf thing. And on top of that, I have my Xbox One, I have my sound bar, and I have my NES Classic and my SNES Classic, along with all the medals that I got in triathlon over the last year, and 2 different medals. One's from a half marathon and one is from a 100-mile bike ride. So those are pretty cool little things that I just like to keep on display. But yeah, so other things around the room, obviously above me up here, I have these floating shelves that I got at Lowe's. On top of those, I have a bunch of Funko Pops. The Avengers/Marvel shelf is the bottom one with a picture from my wedding. And then the top shelf is DC characters and a couple trophies from when I was a professional race car driver. I don't know if this is in frame, but over here I have this cool sign that my mother-in-law bought me that says, "My goal in life is to be as good a person as my dog thinks I am." And then on top of that, I have some more Funko Pops that aren't really related to comics, and then a couple more trophies. But so yeah, then obviously if we just keep moving along, I got the TV, I got the desk, I got the TV set up. I got over here is the couch and this cool little coffee table that was only like $30 or $40 on Amazon when I bought it. On top of that's the slider, which I like and get to use, so that's cool. If we move over into that corner, I have another Edison type bulb. I got that one at IKEA inside another little wire kind of diamond thing that I also got at IKEA. And then on top of the desk a little further is a stack of stuff that I have videos coming on. A bunch of them are iPhone 10 cases. I'm gonna show off some case options for you guys. And then I have that final lamp that the Hue bulb is in. So a couple other things I forgot to talk about is in this corner is the outlet that the light switch in the room controls. And plugged into that, I have a little 3-plug surge protector, and it goes to a stand-up floor lamp that I use for all my video lighting. And then it's plugged into this Edison bulb on top of my computer and nothing else. I have an extension cord for the lamp that I use for my video lighting, and it's running behind the couch and I can move it all around. It's really convenient actually. And then also in this corner is the wireless subwoofer for that Polk Audio soundbar that I have under my TV. Last but not least, I want to talk about something that's been seen in a lot of my videos, and that is my comic books that I have framed on the walls in my office. So these are all just framed in some dollar store regular 8x10 document frames. They have a piece of either white or black paper behind them, and then they are in the little plastic sleeve inside with the cardboard that comes with them, and they're all hung up. So this wall over here is the Spider-Man Deadpool series, and then right on the entry wall back there is 3 of the original Wolverine series that featured Deadpool, along with the 5 Wolverine Origins books that also featured Deadpool. I'm a huge Deadpool fan, so that's why most of my comics have Deadpool in them. I have in one of those just a whole bunch more comics that I need to frame and hang, but yeah, so that's what those comics are. So enough of me talking about the things going on in my office, the actual stuff in here. I want to talk to you about what my goals are for my YouTube channel in 2018. So my goals for YouTube are, right now I'm barely over 50 subscribers. I think I'm at 53 at the time of filming this. I want to get to 250 subscribers, and I feel like that's a reasonable goal. I've been doing this for a couple months now, and yeah, I want to try to accomplish the 250 subscribers by the end of 2018. I think it's a reasonable goal to have. And also, I want to work more on my actual video production. So I want to improve my video quality because I just recently bought a brand new camera. This is the A7R2. I got it not brand new, but used. So it's an upgrade from my A6500. And then I picked up the tech YouTuber lens that everybody talks about and has to have, the Sigma 18-35 f1.8 lens, I believe it is. So yeah, hopefully I can really work on improving the quality of my videos because I like doing this and I want to continue to learn to get better, and I know that I have the equipment to make awesome content now, and I just need to work on my delivery and my filming. So yeah, hopefully you guys have stuck around to this point in the video. Leave a like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, watch me grow. If you want to check out my last video, that is going to be over here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, that is going to be over here. But thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.